In one of my previous videos, we discussed an award-winning golf and country club in Lipa, Batangas, which is Mount Malarayat Golf and Country Club by active group of companies. I also mentioned that inside this award-winning place, you can purchase residential properties such as condo units and residential lots. If you want to watch the detailed video about the country club, you can watch it after this video. I'll be putting the link in the description box down below or here in the info cards. Today, I'm going to present to you the residential properties that you can invest in Mount Malarayat Golf and Country Club. Hello, my name is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker, and this is Mount Malarayat Golf and Country Club Residential Estates. Mount Malarayat Golf and Country Club Residential Estates is located in the heart of Lipa, Batangas. You have a lot of commercial establishments near like Robinson's Place Lipa, SM City Lipa, the famous The Farm at San Benito, Lipa Public Market, Pure Gold Lipa, and a lot of banks. The City Hall is also just a couple of minutes away. For the schools, you have De La Salle Lipa, the Immaculate Conception Montessori, Stonyhurst Southville International School, Canosa Academy Lipa, and more. You see, when you live inside Mount Malarayat Golf and Country Club residential estates, you're just not living inside a very secured high-class community. You're also residing in the booming town of Lipa, where everything you need is already there. The commercial establishments, malls, supermarkets, wet markets, schools, and even the century-old and new churches like the Our Lady of Mount Carmel Church, the Lipa Cathedral Church, St. Therese of the Child Jesus and the Holy Face Parish Church, and a lot more. Living in this place is absolutely amazing. Booming location with a cold climate as it is the third highest altitude for resort destinations just behind Baguio and Tagaytay. If you're planning to retire or build a vacation home or a rest house, or you just want to live in a peaceful and cold place, Mount Malarayat is definitely a great place to invest. In addition to this, the city's location is in a valley between Mount Malarayat, also known as Mount Malipuño, and Mount Macolod, which makes the place a low-risk area for natural disasters. These mountains serve as a windbreak during typhoon, while Mount Macolod has historically served as a shield during the eruption of Taal volcano. As I have mentioned in my detailed video of the country club, Mount Malarayat Golf and Country Club was not affected by the recent Taal eruption. Mount Malarayat is also easy to go to from Metro Manila or vice versa. It's just a 1.5 or 2 hour drive and the place is near the superhighway. Let's now discuss the properties that you can invest here. You have the courtyard, the Palms Garden, and the newest expansion, the Alcove at Mount Malarayat. The Alcove at Mount Malarayat has a total of 78,096 square meters with a total of 116 lots and lots ranging from 301 square meters to 840 square meters. It's the next phase of Mount Malarayat lifestyle living. If you're going to invest in a property here, you're also entitled to an associate membership in the Mount Malarayat Golf and Country Club. Target completion of this project is 2024 and the license to sell is this. What's great about investing in this place is that the price is still low since it's still under development, so it's a pre-selling project, and since it's a pre-selling project, expect the price to increase. So if you're also into the flipping business for real estate, this is also a great opportunity to earn. This is the subdivision plan of the Alcove Mount Malarayat. You have 6 blocks and the lots are also regular in shape. If you want to inquire, you can contact my agent Jana, and her contact details will be listed in the description box and in the pinned comment in the comment section. Also, the Alcove at Mount Malarayat, it has 2 landscape entrances, 3 lined wide concrete roads with concrete sidewalks, landscape open spaces, concrete curbs and gutters, concrete perimeter fence, centralized water distribution system and elevated water tank, underground drainage system, overhead electrical distribution system, and of course, street lighting. Lastly, if you prefer living or investing in a condo unit, Mount Malarayat also offers large condo units. We have studio units, 1-bedroom units, and 2-bedroom units for their project, the Suites at Mount Malarayat. What's nice about the Suites at Mount Malarayat is that the country club is a walking distance, So if you want to play golf and then head back to your condo unit as soon as possible, you can do this since the golf course is just a couple of minutes of walking. Also, their units have larger floor areas compared to the usual condo units that we buy in the metro. And you also enjoy the majestic view of the Mount Malarayat mountain range and the cool climate of Lipa. The suites at Mount Malarayat is made up of different building clusters. There is Nara, Tangile, and Yakal. There is also more spaces in the area for future development. Again, when you invest in a unit here, you are also entitled to an associate membership to the Mount Malarayat Golf and Country Club. You can also contact Jana for the available units and more details such as pricing, availability, and payment terms. So let's head out to the condo units to see what they look like. So if you want an option of a bigger room, so this one is the 1-bedroom unit and it has 75 square meters of floor area. So obviously it's going to be bigger than the usual 1-bedroom units that we see always. So upon entering our unit, we have the kitchen here on my left. So it has a lot of counter spaces. Countertops are made of granite, and you have the refrigerator here. Again, deep sink made of aluminium. We have a lot of spaces to put your appliances. Over there, it's really nice to cook here. So also make this as your bar counter, so you can put drinks here and then people can just get the food from here. Speaking of getting food from here, we have the dining area just beside the bar counter. You can put here around 4 to 6 people depending on how the table is going to be, but for now we have 4 people here, and again, everything here is included. And then just beside it we have the living area, and you can just imagine you can put maybe a bigger mounted television here on the wall, but this one is already included. And of course you have the sofa, so you can enjoy and relax watching movies and videos with your family. And of course we have another big window here to let natural light come inside. And of course you have the great view of Mount Malarayat and a lot of greeneries and trees out there, so it's really relaxing. And now we're going to show you the 1-bedroom. So since this is a 1-bedroom unit, we're going to show you the 1-bedroom. And another thing to notice is the ceiling is actually high, so it doesn't really feel clamped. Aside from the unit is really big in terms of floor area, it adds the illusion of adding more size to it. This one is the bedroom, and we have a large bed here. So this one is actually queen size bed, so you can really put into perspective that this is a really big room. And then of course I mentioned before the high ceiling, and you can put another television here. With another television is right there. And we have a mirror here, so if you want to check yourself before going out, you can do that here. Here, another set of chairs if you just want to sit down and drink coffee from this one. And of course, obviously we have the windows there, the natural light. And of course we have our bathroom for the unit, and this one is here. And again, as I've mentioned before, we have lots of great quality wood used in this unit and the other unit. So here is our bathroom. It's actually a big bathroom because we have a walk-in closet behind me, or on my left. So we're just going to show that first. So for the walk-in closet, you have a sliding door here, so you can put, or you can hang your clothes from here. And then obviously you have a lot of shelves to put maybe your shoes or other things that you used in your life. Okay, so here we have obviously the sink, and we have countertop made of granite again. So all of the materials used here are premium, including the wood again, and of course the tiles, the ceramic tiles. installed everywhere. So we have here the bathtub, you have the complete water fixtures of the water closet, the towel rack, and the shower. So you can easily take a bath here and relax after your tiring day, again after playing golf, after your work. So there. So these are the properties that you can buy here in Mount Malarayat Golf and Country Club. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next real estate video. Keep safe.